Hey, what's going on, guys? Connor with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Wanted to bring you guys out to the water to check out a 2026 Yamaha AR220. As you can see from the hull color, we have it in gray with some great blue accents. And then, guys, jump in on the inside and check out some great features. All right, guys, now in the interior of the AR220, starting back here in the stern. Guys, Yamaha does an amazing job with the stern platforms of their boats. It's super inviting to not only boarding, but also to hang out back here while you're on the water. So as you can see, we have a great little step down to where you can actually use this as a seat and have a very comfortable spot back here. But what I also love is that when you're accessing your stern seating, it's right where you need it, super easy access, and there is drains built in there. So super convenient area to grab some of those quick needed items. So now as we go into the interior here, do notice that the AR220 is the first model that has the sport tower on board, and notice how large this bimini top is. I'm getting a lot of shade underneath here, but it's also tall enough to where I can actually stay underneath here and not hit my head on this tower. So super easy to navigate around, and it does tilt down as well. Then of course we have the nice wraparound seating here, so you can expand how many people you can have in here at once. Great storage as well, where we can flip these guys up, and all the seats are going to be on brackets, aside from a couple seats up in the bow. Then, this being the AR220 model, you do have the portside lounger, and then a nice little convenient glove box to go with it. Then coming on over to our helm station over here, we got a really easy to use helm seat where we can actually flip up our bolster up and down. It also does swivel 360 degrees and slide. So that way if you want to be included with the stern passengers. Then the nice thing about the AR220, it's got everything you need and nothing you don't. So you'll see that we have all of our easy to access rocker switches here for all the lighting systems and safety items. Then we have our Yamaha diagnostic screen, which has got everything you need there as far as fuel, depth, and just quick needed items like that. And then of course your separate radio head unit, and then all of your engine functions are going to be right there in one place, so super easy. All right, now coming over to our portside console, so we do have a wireless charger that's placed in up here. You do have this thick marine mat material as well, so nice area to set all your items down on. Of course, we do have some great storage under here as well. Then we even have our bow walk-through door, which is going to make it super easy for us to block off that cooler air as we are getting into those cooler months. And then, as we go on up to the bow here, I want you guys to see that we do not have the bow furler cushions opened up now, but we do have a way to pop those in place and make this a really inviting area. Then coming up to the best seat in the house, of course, we got great storage. Again, all the seats are on brackets except for these front two seats here, just in case you need to store some items underneath or have some forward seating. All right, now coming on to the very bow, we do have a really convenient anchor locker and ladder area as well. So great place to store the anchor where it's not going to be knocking around, but you also have a bow ladder, and when you shut this hatch, you have a really easy staircase going down, so that way it's easy to beach the boat, get on and off of the bow, makes it a very inviting and easy to use area. But anyways, guys, that is the 2026 AR220. If you guys want to see this in person or maybe even take a demo, please just let us know. And again, my name is Connor. Thank you for watching.